MS Word tips. Open and edit PDF in Word. Here is a simple trick. Open Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab. Click Object, and select Text from File. Now choose your PDF file, and click Insert. Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. After that, you can change the text, correct details, and save it again. This method is useful for students, office users, accountants, teachers, and small business owners. It also helps avoid unknown online PDF converter websites. Remember, it works best with text-based PDF files. If the file is scanned or has heavy formatting, check and adjust the final document. Open Word, insert the PDF, edit it, and save. Follow for more MS Word tips.